A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone is shown tracking a speeding HMMWV. A soldier riding in the rear attempts to disrupt the UAV, but the effort is unsuccessful. In this footage, a Russian drone operator engages a pickup truck after it loses control and spins on the roadway. The drone maintains position along the roadside, tracking the vehicle's movement. Once the pickup completes multiple rotations and comes to a vulnerable position, the drone strikes, rendering the vehicle inoperable. A Russian FPV drone tracks a Ukrainian soldier moving along a village road during ongoing operations. The footage shows the soldier attempting to respond to the approaching drone. However, the drone maintains controlled maneuvering, continuously monitoring the soldier's position. Later, a Ukrainian soldier on the same road is observed by a Russian drone, as aerial surveillance continues to monitor movement and track positions throughout the ongoing operation. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone, positioned in ambush, engages a UAF armored vehicle at an intersection in Variators, west of the settlement of Golia. Ukrainian soldiers were moving near their dwelling when they came into the line of sight of northern reconnaissance assets. The position was immediately tracked, and drones were dispatched to engage the target. Russian reconnaissance identified UAF personnel inside a residential building, after which an FPV drone was dispatched to the location. The drone maneuvered toward the rear window at the exact moment a serviceman exited through the front, demonstrating precise aerial control, coordination, and timing during the operation. Destruction of a Kiev Forces UAV launch position was carried out using a Krasnopol precision-guided artillery munition in the area of the settlement of Shikovka, Kharkov Oblast. According to the footage, reconnaissance assets identified an enemy drone launch site concealed inside a reinforced concrete shelter, which was being used to deploy UAVs for reconnaissance and strike missions. After target coordinates were confirmed and laser designation was established, an artillery unit fired a Krasnopol-guided round. The munition accurately struck the shelter, resulting in the complete neutralization of the UAV launch position. A Russian FPV drone is employed for logistics support, delivering supplies to frontline troops. The footage shows the drone transporting essential items, including food, water, radio batteries, and basic equipment. The operation highlights the growing role of unmanned systems in sustaining combat units operating under active and high-risk battlefield conditions. Fighting in this sector continues with high intensity, and Russian forces are maintaining constant pressure on enemy logistics. Units of the 6th Army are systematically targeting transport and supply movements of Kiev's forces, disrupting rotations and resupply efforts along key routes. In the latest incident, another Ukrainian pickup truck was detected while moving near the settlement of Petrovka. After being tracked, the vehicle was struck and completely destroyed. A mercenary noticed a Russian FPV drone and chose to remain motionless on the ground. Instead of attempting to evade or reposition, he stayed still, an ineffective tactical decision that left him exposed to the drone's engagement. A Russian UAV operator spotted 3 Ukrainian infantry soldiers traveling in an all-terrain vehicle. The drone quickly engaged, successfully disabling the vehicle. In the Sumy region, Russian FPV drone operators targeted an infantry group sheltering in a basement. 2 drones were deployed, effectively neutralizing the building. Later, additional troop movements in the area were detected, prompting a follow-up strike that rendered the structure completely inoperable. The enemy continues counterattack attempts toward July. New footage from the Zaporizhzhia region shows Russian forces detecting military activity in the Zalisnik area. Ukrainian units had mobilized armored vehicles from staging areas, attempting to approach Russian positions undetected. However, intelligence systems observed the movement in real time. Data was promptly relayed to drone operators, who then conducted precision strikes against the enemy's equipment and personnel. UAV operators from the Vosto Group of the 35th Army engaged enemy forces during a counteroffensive near Gulaipol, targeting advancing infantry units and their equipment. Ukrainian soldiers were forced to abandon their shelters and armored vehicles, retreating across open terrain. They attempted to find cover, but had insufficient time to reach a secure position. Russian FPV drones tracked the soldiers as they moved across open terrain, maintaining continuous observation of their positions. Ultimately, a Ukrainian soldier was taken into custody after surrendering, concluding the engagement. Ukrainian infantry in Constantine detected an approaching FPV drone and abandoned their armored vehicle. The vehicle remained operational, with the engine running and doors open, making it highly vulnerable. The subsequent engagement rendered the armored vehicle completely inoperative. Russian aerial units maintain active surveillance and control over approaches to Konstantinovka. A Ukrainian vehicle was destroyed while entering the city from the north, in an area that Ukraine claims to hold fully. January 16, 2026, the well-coordinated efforts of the drone and strike crews allowed rapid detection and elimination of enemy infantry moving cautiously through the forest, attempting to stay under cover. A joint attack by couriers targets Ukrainian positions. 2 NRTK courier systems are deployed. The first is armed with a 12.7 NSVT machine gun, delivering direct fire on enemy positions, while the second provides electronic warfare support, disrupting communications and defenses. The coordinated operation demonstrates combined arms capabilities of unmanned strike platforms. Road chase by the 6th Army. In the area of Petrovka, a Kiev Forces pickup truck was detected while moving at speed along a local road. Reconnaissance assets tracked the vehicle, after which strike elements engaged it with precision. The pickup was disabled and neutralized, halting movement in the sector and underscoring the risks of rapid road transit under persistent aerial surveillance. Footage shows Russian BM-21 Grad multiple launch rocket system crews from the Sparta Regiment conducting fire missions against Ukrainian military positions near Novopavlovka, with salvo launches aimed at suppressing and disrupting enemy defenses in the area. An FPV drone targeted and struck one of 2 soldiers positioned at a Ukrainian armed forces trench in the Sumy region. Russian fiber-optic FPV drones struck an American mercenary minibus, recorded from 2 angles. Precision targeting ensured the vehicle was swiftly neutralized, demonstrating the power of modern drone operations on the battlefield. Another routine day for the Rubicon team, as combat operations continue across multiple sectors. Situation overview as of January 23, 2026. The footage presents a sequence of engagements from the Donbas region, highlighting the ongoing intensity of operations along the front line. Aerial reconnaissance assets monitor enemy movement, while strike drones and air defense systems remain on constant alert. Several clips show air defense interception, with incoming aerial threats detected and neutralized before reaching their intended targets, underscoring the importance of layered air defense coverage in the current operational environment. Additional scenes from the Krasny-Lyman direction capture active battlefield surveillance and precision strikes against identified targets. UAV operators track enemy positions, logistics routes, and movement patterns, enabling timely engagement and disrupting attempts to regroup or redeploy. Overall, the footage reflects a steady operational tempo, where coordinated drone operations, air defense activity, and real-time reconnaissance continue to shape the situation on the ground.